Hello viewers, are you facing YouTube video black screen problem? Here you can see audio is playing but video is black screen. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all open settings. Just go to settings. Then scroll down, find apps option. Now tap on apps option. Now find YouTube from the app list. Now tap on YouTube. Just tap on YouTube. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now open Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for YouTube. Just search for YouTube. From here update your YouTube app if available any update version. Now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After this process, now open YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.